Nature of science. When you think of science, how do you think of using it to solve questions? Do you think of a science lab with your typical white lab coat, testing different chemicals? Well, guess what? There are many different ways to use science to answer your questions. So, what kind of ways can we use science to answer our questions? Well, you might wonder how plants grow. Now, does that sound like you would be using just chemicals to find your answer? Nope, but you might use different science methods to find out how plants grow. You may also want to discuss with many others to discuss their findings. So, the next time you want to use science to answer a question, remember that you don't have to be stuck behind a desk testing chemicals.
Created using Powtoon.